Sorry, Clary, buddy. Position 2, Clary Hunt, car 2. Into 13, car right now. Position 3. In position 4 right now is the 43 car. That car was probably by one. A couple other cars. Watch out, Derry. Green flags in the air. This gentleman come to visit us today. His name is Randy Lewis. Randy's actually from out of California. Randy's job is Randy's a track chaser, and I have never actually met a track chaser before. He's sitting here in our crowd today. He was at Avondale last night. He goes around the world and he checks out racetracks and he shows them on his website and does it for us. Randy has visited over 2,600 racetracks in his career as a track racer. He has visited 60 racetracks in England alone in that area. He has been all over North America, and I'll tell you what, we are very honored to have him in our presence today. We are a little small facility. We try to work hard to keep this thing together, and at the end of the day, to get that recognition from a guy like him is great. Randy, if you wouldn't mind, why don't you stand up and show the crowd you're here sitting with us? Let's put you under a little pressure. Thanks, buddy. I'll tell you what, that is a big deal for us. That is wicked. We get a chance to get profiled by him here, and we want him to have a good time. You know, we got a little small family with our fans, our racers, and our staff here. We want to show them we're proud of what we got. But I'll tell you what we're really proud of, too, is these two little racers down on the track right here, the 42 and